I ordered these aux lights from Karol Bagh, Delhi. I ordered this Y light, and for this I purchased this Vaishnu wiring harness kit from Amazon, or you can order it from their website also. And for mounting the aux lights I purchased these clamps from Mad Dog. The catch with these, I like ordered a few before these clamps, like from Amazon, the Nexus gears, and also the HJG clamps, but I didn't like the quality. So, and they were not providing the rubber damping for just to cut out the vibrations. So I ordered these, and it has 4 screws, like 1, 2 and 3, 4. The other clamps, they have 2 screws and no rubber for vibration dampening. So these are the aux lights. So for the headlight wiring kit, here is the catch. It took me 3 hours to install all the lights, switches, and how to tuck in the the wire harness, all the wirings. So I'll tell you all that in a summary. So for the only backdrop for the wire harness kit, that I got these old conventional connectors which are not waterproof. So what I did, I purchased a waterproof connector from eVolta or iVolta website. I'll put that in the description. So these are waterproof, as you can see. So, and I connected, I just cut these, and I will put these here. Cut these and put these here. So instead of the old conventional connectors, you have waterproof one. So before install the aux lights first, and then go for the wire harness kit. For that you have to remove these cowls, these covers, both sides, and maybe this also, the fan cover too. And after installing, it will take some time to neatly tuck in these wires. As you can see, there is no pressure from the outer cowl. These, you can see it's still moving. So you take this plate off and just tuck all the wires neatly inside it, and it's pretty good. There is no discomfort in the seat. And one more catch with the wire harness kit is that you will get 3 negative points. One with the battery, you can see this one. This is with the battery, and one with each aux light. This here and this here, this is one here, and another on the right hand side. It is this one. So instead of connecting to some port like these, like this to the bike, any screw of the bike, just take an extension cable and just put all the negatives in the negative port of the battery. That will do the job. It was suggested I contact the Vaishnu Industries for that, and they suggested me to do that. So it's a big time saver. Yet I wasted my time looking for a correct bolt where I can find a negative port. So I wasted roughly 1 hour for that finding, and I forgot that there is a negative port. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm laughing at me right now, so myself. So, and one more thing, and one more catch, you don't have to cut any wires from the ignition chamber, which is here. See, I have not done anything as such, because in Adventure 390s you get 4 accessory ports. 4 accessory ports. One is here, which is quite difficult to access, but you have, if it's not accessible, you have to remove this whole headlight unit, and other two are below here. You have to remove the grab rails and this cowl, which is easier to remove as compared to removing the headlight. So I'll show you the accessory port. One is here, which I like it, something like this. So for the I got a cold. This is the ignition cable, which normally people just cut some white wire. I've seen some videos, they just put some white wire in the ignition coupler. So no need to do that, no need to cut anything, no need to, just you have to take an extension from here, as this wire only comes till here, and go away all the back from here. You can see there is yellow wire, that's the extension, and just put it in these two accessory ports which turns on with the ignition. Don't put in the black and yellow one, that's the negative. Put both the wires, the ignition wires, in the positive one, the blue and red one. Just cut this something and you will find the red and blue and red one. Just put both there. And the other one is the direct one, which I installed it for my wireless mobile charger, wire and wireless mobile charger. As you can see, I have not turned on the ignition, and still there is this light, blue LED light. So that's the direct port. So no need to cut wire, just tuck these wire harness kit inside below this metal belt, and just put this here and remove that first aid kit. You can carry that in your backpack, or you can snug it here, but I don't, there's a battery, so it might catch fire, like so. So it's pretty easy to do, but I'll make things easy for you, time saving. This is all you have to do. Remove this cowl, tuck here, remove this and tuck all the wireless harness kit. It's very neatly, can do it neatly, and take the ignition. From here extend it to the accessory port, which is the 15 ampere port. You'll find it. Take a multimeter and search for it. So all that's quite easy, but it took 3 hours for me to do it. So I hope this video helps you guys to do it yourself, DIY. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you. Nice wiring harness. This is a stock light, and with that I turn on the white light for the HJG. This is what I get. The throw is I adjusted it to like little bit slant for the incoming vehicles. So this is the white light and this is the yellow light. So it can be adjustable at later point of a time when I use it. So the white light is something like this. This is low beam. I'm not turned on the high beam for this, so only the low beam is there.